Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 44,707 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 44,954. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 45,548 and 44,283 respectively. Technically, the index is likely to remain choppy. The world call Telecom closed at 1.56 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 1.60. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 1.75 and 1.40. Technically, the formation of a long leg spinning candle reflects indecision. The GGL closed at 35.01 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 33.34. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 37.49 and 30.94 respectively. The stock is in positive trend and can test the overhead resistance. The TRG closed at 176.17 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 168.37. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 183.93 and 154.74 respectively. Technically, the stock is in a rising trend. The Unity Foods closed at 30.87 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 30.99. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 32.49 and 28.34 respectively. Technically, sideways movement is expected. The Telecard closed at 16.02 level on April 23, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 14.03. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 16.25 and 12.03 respectively. The stock may undergo a resting phase. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.